In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn TikTok into a money minting machine using two very legit methods that don't require you to spend more than an hour a day working. These are actual screenshots of creators who have made a substantial amount of money on the app using these methods without ever showing their face on camera. And I'm going to show you how you can replicate their success using a mind-blowing AI tool that can help you make viral faceless TikToks like these in literally 5 minutes. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The first method involves joining the TikTok Creativity Program so that you can earn money from your TikTok views itself like people do on YouTube Shorts. Now there are a few requirements for joining the program. First, you need to be from the US or the handful of other countries where the TikTok Creativity Program is currently active. There are creators who use third-party websites to buy US TikTok accounts and then operate those using a VPN, but the legitimacy of such accounts is a gray area. Another thing you need is 10,000 followers. Now this might sound like a lot, but after watching this video, you will find out just how easy it is to get to that goal. You just need to nail 3 things for this: your niche, your topics, and the quality of your videos. Now, out of these, your niche is the most important because the right niche is the difference between your video going viral in the first week and being constantly stuck at 500 views. The issue is that there are so many niches that can make you go viral, but not all of them can be automated. So here is the criteria that you should keep in mind while choosing your niche. 1, it doesn't require you to show your face. 2, the text and audio are the main focus points as compared to the visuals. 3, it has a broad audience base. And 4, it is not yet saturated. Now, one way you can look for such niches is by scrolling through TikTok in incognito mode. You can also create a separate account just for research. And here, just scroll through to see what faceless niches get pushed out to you most often. Now, this does take a little bit of time during your first few times researching because the algorithm just keeps showing you what's trending. But once you start liking and interacting only and only with faceless content on this particular TikTok account, your For You page will become a gold mine of such faceless content. After days of research, I found that travel, fact videos, and animal videos popped up in my feed most often as faceless niches. Now, another way is to look at content that is trending on other platforms like YouTube Shorts and Instagram, but has not necessarily made it to TikTok. For example, self-growth content is really big on TikTok, but the faceless version of it is still not as big, and that gives you a niche that you can definitely target. Another thing you can do is look at content in other languages and in other countries and see if it has made its way to US or the English-speaking audience. For this, operate your TikTok using a VPN for another country and you'll get content on your For You page from what's trending in that particular location. On trying it from Australia, I saw a lot of aesthetic travel content on my For You page. So it can be a winning niche for another location. I'll be revealing the top faceless niches at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But for now, let's move on to method number 2, which is earning through affiliates. This method has been popular for quite some time now, but today I'm going to show you how you can automate it using AI so that you are not spending all of your time making videos and can actually stand to make a decent amount of passive income from your TikTok account. To succeed with this method, you also need to fulfill a few criteria. First, you need to have a product or a service to sell. Now, this can be easily achieved through affiliate websites like ClickBank or Digistore, or even through Amazon affiliates. If you're choosing a single product or service, it's important to check its viability and whether people are even looking to buy it. And you can do this by searching for similar keywords on TikTok to see how popular that term or searches for that particular product are and how many views such videos generally get. You ideally want to pick something that has demand but is not overly saturated. For example, journals is one category that has a lot of demand and is not overly saturated because not a lot of people are selling journals through affiliate links. Next, you need to check if you can automate content creation for your product or service. For example, Amazon products are great for creating viral TikToks on, but they require a lot of effort for filming, for editing, for voiceovers, etc. And they cannot really be automated. So that might not be the route that you want to take. I am actually going to go ahead with custom journals as my product category because it is in the self-help niche and it allows me to promote multiple brands and earn commissions through them. Now coming to how can you actually create content for both of these methods and start making some money. The overall process for both is going to be very simple and very similar, and we're just going to use one AI tool for all of the video creation work, which is InVideo AI. But first, let's start with the ideas themselves. For this, you can easily use ChatGPT and ask it to come up for different topics for Reels and TikToks in your niche. For my product niche, which is journals, these are the ideas that ChatGPT has come up with. And I'm gonna go ahead with this one. Next, we're gonna start making our video using InVideo AI because it's literally the easiest way I have found online that you can use to create and edit videos using simple text prompts. I'm gonna start by signing into my account on ai.invideo.io and first create an AI version of my own voice. Using your own voice is always preferred over using AI voices because it not only gives your videos a unique touch, but it also prevents any hassles while uploading. Now simply click on this button down here that says clone your voice and upload an audio file of your voice on the next page. You can simply record this on your phone or your laptop using the script that I have shared in the description. Now make sure you give InVideo AI vocal permission to use your voice while you're recording your audio sample. Once you upload your audio file, InVideo will ask you for certain permissions, check, and then clone your voice in seconds. Here's mine, and I've named it Aditi, obviously. Now, let's go back to the InVideo homepage and we're gonna start creating our video. For this, I'm gonna click on YouTube Shorts as the workflow. It's the same aspect ratio as TikTok, so this is what we want. And here, I'm gonna put in my topic. I am going to specify the title, give it instructions on the intro, the tone of voice, language, and pace. Next, I am going to choose my voiceover. I'm obviously going to go ahead with Aditi, that is my own voice. Finally, I'm going to choose my subtitle style. I want to go with word-by-word subtitles because I think that looks really nice. And then we are going to hit generate. InVideo will ask me for a few more details on the audience and the look and feel I want for my video. And once I select those, here is the first draft it's generated in just a few minutes.
Journaling is really important for your mental health, and today we're going to show you how to get started. 1. Get a journal you'll actually use and decorate it how you like. 2. Start small. Don't let the fear of a blank page intimidate you. Use prompts if you want and just commit to writing 2-3 lines in the beginning.
That literally took less than 5 minutes to make, and you can use this process to make hundreds of videos in one single day to truly automate your TikTok content creation process. Let me show you another example. This is a video I am making for the TikTok Creativity Program, and this is the topic that I'm going ahead with. Now we're going to follow a similar process for filling out all of the details, but this time I'm also going to share an article link with InVideo AI from where it can take information for this particular TikTok. This allows my TikTok to be more information rich, and that is great for an account where you want to monetize the views itself. And once I hit generate, here is the first draft.
5 science-backed hacks to improve focus coming right up. 1. Engage in neurobics. This is brain training, like brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand. 2. Meditate. It helps you stay in the present moment, reducing distractions. 3. Listen to natural sounds. They can promote a state of calm and concentration.
Now you don't just have to publish the first thing that InVideo generates. Although this is great, you can actually use this command box underneath the canvas area to give the AI additional prompts to make any changes you want to the video. For instance, I want to make the intro shorter in the journaling one, so I am going to ask the AI to do it. And I also wanted to remove the music because we are going to use music from the TikTok audio library while we are uploading. Great. You can also use this edit option under the canvas to make more specific changes to your video. Like if I want to add a few images or video clips of the product that I'm promoting at the end, I downloaded these from the website of the product itself. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit and then choose the edit media option. And here I'm just going to upload all of the clips that I downloaded. And once they are uploaded, I'm just going to go ahead and click on them, and then they will replace the clip that I have selected on the timeline. You can similarly choose the edit script option to make specific changes to the script. And with that, our final video is ready.
If you want to journal but don't know where to start, I've got you. 1. Get a journal you will actually use and decorate it how you like. 2. Start small. Don't let a blank page intimidate you. Use prompts if you like. 3. Make it a ritual. Choose a specific time and place to sit and write every day. 4. Write without judgment. You cannot be honest with the world if you're not honest with yourself.
Looks great. Now all you need to do is hit export and choose your parameters. Keep in mind that watermark-free exports and voice cloning features are only available on the paid plan, but at just $20 a month, this is a steal deal. Now once your video is exported, all that is left to do is start posting. You will need to do a little bit of trial and error to see exactly what format works for you. But once you get a hang of it, you can just replicate the process to create multiple viral TikToks. You have to understand that while this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, you do stand to make some serious cash if you do this right. In fact, several people have used the TikTok creativity program and the affiliate business model to make thousands of dollars per month. And the biggest thing that enabled them to do this was the niche that they chose. So as I promised at the beginning of the video, here are the top 10 faceless niches that can help you automate and monetize your TikTok really fast in 2024. Now keep in mind that these are broad niches, which means that you can also look for categories within these niches if you are going for an affiliate business. Like we chose journals, which is a subcategory within the self-help niche. So go ahead, try applying these principles to create your own videos using InVideo AI. And if you want to go one step further and also use the exact same strategy we showed you above to create faceless videos for YouTube and start your automation journey there, check out this video next where we show you the top 24 faceless YouTube niches that will make you money in 2024.